The letter Y has 4 sounds. Y, I, and E. We get that first Y sound, and we can really hear it in words like yellow and yarn and yes, iconically Y. But then we have words like myth that all of a sudden makes our Y have a short I sound. And there's also a rule that if Y is in a one-syllable word, it's going to have a long I sound, like try or dry or cry. But if Y is in a 2-syllable word, like happy, 2 syllables, it's going to give us an E sound. You'd think that maybe we'd get an E sound from a letter with the very same name, E, but no. It's Y that steps in, like fuzzy and sweaty and silly and funny and oh my gosh, thanks English.